Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flaw.
Okay, so my visual learners, I have a diagram now. So I have this part where I said I split it down the middle, and then across the ears, this is what I meant. And then after I do this, I then cross that bottom section into half for the medium. So you see that now. And then this is basically how I do it. This is just a visual depiction of what I'm talking about, because I'm a visual learner too. So then at the end you'll get something that looks more like this diagram. There it is. And yeah, so that's basically how you do it, and you're not parting directly on top of the other braids. You're breaking your parts, so it won't look all uniform. Well, it'll look uniform, but it won't look all spaced out, if you get what I'm saying, like all in a row. You want it to be like
you're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see the eye? And now I'm better and better. No longer what I used to be better. I'm good.
listen, daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him. Adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your Can't keep going back to what I used to